Hello, fellow YouTubers. Tiger Dragon Girl here. So yesterday, my husband and I were at Hobby Lobby getting some stuff for our bathroom that we're remodeling. And while I was there, I found a book that I absolutely had to have. Yeah, farm animals. It was so cute. The one animal that they do not have on here pictured is a sheep. So there are actually 6 animals to crochet. But anyway, I grew up on a farm. I live on one now. So I figured that is so perfect. Yeah. I think that horse and the cow is probably gonna, it's a toss up between them two, which one I'm gonna do first. But yeah. Great little book. And okay, here it is on the back cover. It has the sheep. But yeah, have some fun with that. So guys, until next time, stay safe and stay happy.